hope that's right. But Kanye, you need to change your ways. I'm sorry. You need to change them names you be naming them shoes, cause this ain't right. You feel me? People can't be pronouncing all of this Israfil, whatever the fuck this is. You know what I mean? Like, you need to change the name. What's popping, guys? It's your girl Sophia, back at it again with another video. You already know I'm bringing you the freshest stuff. I don't gotta tell you guys twice. You already know. So today I am doing a product review, and I feel like for everybody who probably knows, like, my channel is becoming more of a product review channel, but you know, I do a little bit here, a little bit there. You feel me? I'm like a bit of everything. But today I'm bringing you the finest product. You already know, I think I'm obsessed with this, and you're gonna see a lot on my channel. If there's a new one coming out, you're gonna see every single time. Hopefully, if I manage to have another one. But I'm bringing you another one, obviously. I'm bringing you another one of Yeezy boots. Obviously, the 350s. I did get those as well. They just came out. They came out on the 22nd of this month. Yes, they came out on the 22nd of this month. And you know, your girl got a notification that they were coming on the 22nd or something like that. So I pre-ordered. But I didn't just pre-order one, guys. I pre-ordered two. Pre-ordered two. One for me and one for my man. You already know, I gotta get him right. If I'm getting myself right, I gotta get him right as well. You feel me? So I pre-ordered his Yeezy boots on like 8.5. Jesus, I nearly said 8 point.
Fella, please get out of here.
8.5, which is, I believe, is a 42.5, and I obviously ordered myself a size 4. However, my guy did not tell me that he also pre-ordered a size 9, because obviously he is like more of a 42.5. That's actually his size, but because Yeezys do come a little bit smaller, so he does usually want, you know, like a little bit of a room to relax and like breathe, you know, in your feet. You know what I mean. Okay, so yeah, we ended up getting 3 boxes today. It just literally arrived. I took it out of the package. Honestly, like, first impression of them, as you can see, first impression of those bad boy, I love the color. I know, like, you guys have seen in my previous video that, like, I love all of the colors, but like, in terms of like the color, I really love it, because it's like a denim kind of blue, if I'm not wrong. It's like a denim kind of blue. This is the shoes that you wear with your denim fit, like, you know what I mean, your denim, like, if you you get a denim jacket, denim trousers, or whatever it is, you wear it on denim or something, or you matching with denim, this is a nice shoes to match it up. Not just that, I feel like it's a really nice shoes in general. This is for me. I really like how they combined this like little bit of an orange with like the blue. It's incredible. It looks really nice. Like, obviously the inside of it, as you can see, it's literally similar to the Zion. I don't know if you guys know the Zion, but I will try to insert a picture somewhere around here. But they are very similar to the Zion, like exactly the same, just a different color. I do love this. As I said before, I really want to actually make a collection of Yeezys myself. Like, I want to be like a Yeezy collector. So whenever new ones come out, I'm gonna try to cop them. But if I can't, then whatever. But I'm trying to collect as many as I can. This is absolutely amazing. But what I don't get about these Yeezys though is this bit. I just don't know, you know? This bit is like, I literally thought, okay, well, the laces, they look a bit funny. They look good. To be honest, they look good. However, I don't know, because it came in the box, it came with a spare lace. So, but then I don't know how we're gonna be doing this, because here, when we look properly, you know, when you remove this bit, like this rubber bit, I don't know if you can see it, but like this, like it's like sewed in. I'm sure this is sewed in. So how are you supposed to take this lace out and then put another one on? I'm beyond confused. You feel me? I'm really beyond. Or you meant to cut it out or something and then like put another one on? I'm like literally confused. However, they do look nice. I will insert a video of me trying them on, so then you guys get to see how they look like on foot. So as you guys can see, I'm wearing the shoes right now. They do look really good from the side. You can see even the orange bib from the side. And then when you turn around, they do look good on the other side as well. The color is really nice. Obviously, the back, you can see the back of it is really, really good. The side is really, really nice. I didn't take the tag off, but I will be taking the tag off. So, you know, it is really, really nice. I feel like if you want this, it's a good shoes to have. Yeah, so yeah, it is pretty nice. I feel like some shoes look, like obviously some shoes look amazing when you have them on hand, but then when you have them on the legs, they're not as like how they're meant to be. I don't know, the sunlight is literally just not doing it for me. Anyways, so yeah, they do look a bit different, but I honestly, to be honest, on foot it's not as bad, but it's not like what I was like expecting from the shoes. It does look good. It's still a keeper. I'll definitely be wearing it a lot, but I still prefer my Zion. These are called what? Kanye, you need to stop thinking of like easy names to pronounce. I don't even know how I can pronounce this name. Israfil or something? Israfil?
Philip, please get out of here.
That's right, but Kanye, you need to change your ways. I'm sorry, you need to change them names you be naming them shoes, cause they saying right. You feel me? People can't be pronouncing all of this Israfil, whatever the fuck this is. You know what I mean? Like, you need to change the names. However, the shoes is really nice. Like, it is really, really nice. Like, as you can see, it's the same as the Zion. So obviously, you don't be expecting much. It's gonna react the same. It's gonna be the same. The comfortability is gonna be the same. So this is on mine. They are the 4.5, and then you do have this my boyfriend's one. They are the 9.5. Look how massive they are compared to this. You can see, like, look how massive. This is the 9. This is the 9.5. So you can see, I don't know if you can see it or something, but this is the 9, so they're together with this. And then you have the 4.5. Well, the 4, basically, I'm just a size 4, because usually I'm a 3.5, but I got a 4. He got a 9. And then we also do have the other one, which is the 8.5. However, this 8.5, we will resell this 8.5 because we don't need the 8.5. Like, obviously, I basically practically got the wrong size. Well, it's not really the wrong size, it's his size, but he prefers the 9, and he already bought the 9. This was meant to be for his birthday, but you know, I guess I have to buy him something else. So, I mean, he can still take this, but it's like he's gonna resell it. Definitely legit. I don't want to take it off the box, but it's basically brand new. It has all the packaging and all that. So, yeah. We're selling 8.5. You know, if you want it, text down below. But yeah, the Yeezys, honestly, I don't know how I feel them. Like, I mean, I love them. They do look good. They do look good. Like, especially the color. I love the combination of the color. I just feel like in terms of like how it looked on foot is a little bit different, but I mean, it's not that different. It's just like I didn't get the wow factor. But in terms of like everything, I think is okay. So if you're wanting to get those pairs, I think it's a good plus to have. Or if you don't have the Yeezys, I think they're really good for like a first pair of Yeezys. They are the most amazing. Anyway, without further ado, that's all for my video. And make sure that you subscribe, you like, and comment, and make sure you share this video. Thank you so much for the support and for the like. I'll see you guys later.